Hi guys, welcome to Becodewala. In this video, I am going to show you how can we upload our file here like images and other type of file. So for that, I'll choose my file, I'll click on this, I'll click on picture and I'll take this picture and I upload here. So this how I upload my image bg3.jpg. After uploading, see here my image is upload. So this how you can upload your image on your page. So we will use HTML and CSS for styling to make this uploading image. So here I will take my page title, upload your image. So in body tag, after writing the basic structure of HTML file, I have taken body tag a div with class container and a label tag that I have taken the 4 image file and class text, and in that I have taken a p tag, and in that I have written upload image. After that, out of this label tag I have taken a input tag. Types should be file and id image file and user captures user. So after that, outside the div I have taken a style tag. In the style tag, for styling I have taken the class container. You can see here my class container, it's here. So after getting my class container, taken height 350 pixel and width 300 pixel and background color I have taken here, and margin top 130 pixel and margin left 100 pixel, box shadow 5 pixel, 5 pixel, 13 pixel and black, and border radius I have taken 35 pixel. Now I have target my p tag. Here I have taken text align center, padding top 2 rem, font size 2 rem and color blue. After that I have taken the id image file. You can see here my id image file. I have target my file image file, and here top margin top 140 pixel, margin left 160 pixel and cursor pointer and color red. After writing this much of code, you will get a beautiful uploading image section like this. So hope you guys like the video. Subscribe the channel. Don't forget to share with your friends. So thanks for watching. We'll meet in next video.